neck so don't break it.
You have to go Monday.
Stop.
What are you doing?
You're just being detained right now.
You could go down? Yeah. I got a bunch of loot. Yeah, it's... let's head back. That one's hot. Which window she kick out? Huh? Which window she kick out? Hang on 1 second. Which window is she at? Where? 213 Baker to radio. Be advised, we do see a female chained up at the top window.
This is the moment everything changes. Officers think they are responding to a strange neighborhood call, and then boom, they visually confirm a woman chained to a window. At that instant, this shifts from a well-fi check into a potential kidnapping and hostage situation. Imagine being the officer seeing that for the first time.
Trying to make entry, but there's something barricading the door.
Yeah,
This boy is there too.
he's boarded up everything. Everything's boarded up.
121 Charlie cars, 1924.
Hold the back and you want to hold the back or the front?
I'll hold the back.
Yeah, fire's on the way.
The ladder was on the side.
There should be a ladder on the side. There you go. You want to get up there? Or we'll climb through the window. They nailed everything shut. Well, we got this though.
Try to kick the door in, but everything is boarded up.
You want to go first? Like this. Is anybody else in there? He did what? Is he Hispanic? Hey, there's a Hispanic male down the street with his friend. That might be who it is.
He's got long hair.
Long hair on the top on the side. Where's the
Sorry,
key?
sir.
Yeah,
I know he's got it on his feet. And he's got it on his feet.
There's no coming up as I-264.
but there's no one else in here, right?
No, you can check. There's no...
Is it just you in here? No female?
It's me. I got close enough to get the window. To kick the window. I didn't even cut my leg. I got close enough to kick the window.
All right, we got fire coming, so give us a second, okay?
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Anytime you do the right thing.
You can check everything. There's nobody else.
So is he a clean cut Hispanic male?
He is, yeah. He's got
down the
long
street.
hair. He's got long hair. He's kind of big.
Huh? Yeah, let's clear real quick. Make sure.
No, we got his kittens down there. We got our 5 kittens. So I'll check with them.
There we go.
He's done it before.
Hold it on her neck so don't break it.
212.
There we go.
He's a stalking.
Does he have any firearms?
No, I don't think so.
North 33rd and Portland Plaza.
A slot machine going at the Dairy Mart.
What's this for?
This gets me to dance niggas for me. That one two change what else I'm doing for me.
I think fire is good.
Hey, First Machine, I'll be on that T-line, 537 South 3rd Street.
There we go.
203.
Thank you so much.
You want to try to make exit through the front?
He's got the side door locked. You have to get in and get out.
Can you get out?
Yeah, I don't have a key to get out. You have to have a key to get in and out.
213 Baker. We got her in chain. We're going to try to come out from the front.
The front door is he's got it. Well, you can't open it. The door's he's got it locked.
Oh, he screwed it in.
He's got a screwdriver in this other room. It's locked. And the kitchen to the left.
Nobody's in the basement, right?
No, nobody's here.
3 Baker, are you on the other side of the front door?
10-4.
This room is locked. He won't never let me in there.
Listen to that reassurance. We're here now. In moments like this, victims are often terrified, confused, and blaming themselves. But here's the reality. Survival mode kicks in hard. And breaking that window, that decision may have saved her life.
You have to have a key to get in.
Hey, I got fire out here.
I don't know.
10-4. It looks like they got the front door and all the doors down here nailed shut. You're fine. We're here now, okay? We're gonna get you out of here.
Sorry.
Don't say sorry for nothing.
You need fire to force this door.
10-4. We're clear of it. We can go ahead and force it.
You bust that door.
All right, let's go in here real quick, okay? That's fire. They're forcing the door open for us. Watch that, man. Okay. Come on now.
Hey, did y'all clear the house?
Yeah, we cleared it. The only thing locked still is the basement door right here. She said nobody else is in here.
And the left door right there, he keeps locking.
Hey, Randy, grab the bolt cutter.
Who did this? Are you hurt? You need EMS or anything?
No, I just went out of here.
Okay. You want to sit out here on the porch? Okay.
We do like a little blockade so everybody's not getting videos of her. Just block with your body here. I don't want everybody to see her.
How long you had that on around your neck?
4 hours, maybe 5. We have a one-year-old daughter together.
Where's she at?
My aunt has custody of her.
Okay.
And that's why he's always fighting with me. Because they wouldn't let her come home to this house. He said, you're not going nowhere this time. He said, you're going to do it nicely or we're going to do it the hard way. When he left, I tried getting it off the floor. I got close enough to the window. I broke the window and yelled at the neighbors.
Just hold really still real fast. You want to go right there?
Might be easier to cut the link on the chain. What kind of car does he drive?
He don't have a car. He was with his friends, but I don't know. They picked him up in the back to take stuff back to Lowe's.
What's his name?
Moses.
Moses?
Last name May. He's a stocky guy. He's got 2 tattoos of his daughter and son's name on his chest and a Scorpio right here on his arm. He's got hair like down to his shoulders.
How long y'all been together?
We've been together for 3-4 years.
Y'all have kids together?
We have 1 daughter.
You said you don't need EMS?
No, I don't need it.
Yeah. No, you're not sorry for nothing.
And y'all cleared the house? Good.
I mean, yeah, we can go back again to double check.
Yeah, let's run another search just to make sure.
Like 10 kittens.
Is there dead ones around?
No, but
Because there's like some death smelling over
I
here.
know. I told him to take care of him, and there's already 3 missing. I don't know if he killed them or what.
I got straight forward. Police!
Weight, an axe, a machete, boarded windows, nailed doors. And now she says he cut her hair with a machete days earlier. At this point, every detail starts painting a much darker picture. And the question gets heavier. What else was happening inside this house?
I'm wondering why all these are nailed shut. Yeah, a lot of these doors are nailed shut. We really can't do nothing with it.
Do you have a gun or anything? Any kind of weapons?
A
knife?
He always has either an axe or a machete. He cut my hair with a machete.
When did you do that?
The 3 nights ago, that's why I left him in the first place. It was all the way down here.
Should I take a picture? Yeah, on the floor or whatever. It shows the chain up right here. Yeah. That's the chain right there. Yeah. Or that's where it was connected to.
Did she rip herself off with it, or did
No, we had to hit it with this axe.
I guess that's the window she broke out. Yeah.
Good for her. It makes you wonder, like downstairs though. Hopefully no one else is in here. Did you want a water? Yeah, I'll be right back, okay? So the only rooms we couldn't clear is he has a room upstairs, a door nailed shut. He's got a basement door nailed shut, and he's got a back room door nailed shut also.
I don't know why he had all these rooms nailed shut.
No tattoos on his face, but he's got one. It's a Scorpio right here.
Yeah, she's doing okay. We can go ahead and leave everything like it is. It's a crime scene right now. So what do you
It's a crime scene.
But do you live here?
No, I live at the corner.
I mean,
No, she's been staying with me. She stayed with me last night.
She's fine. Do you know what the mail looks like?
Mexican.
Long hair.
Long hair.
Is it clean cut or is it just long?
But I don't know if it's here.
Did he hit you or anything? Is he?
He smacked me in my face.
And you've been here for, you said?
3 years.
Yeah, but you said you left.
Yeah, I left a couple days ago when he cut my hair off.
When did you come back?
I come back because I seen him riding today.
Today? You came back today?
Yeah, I seen him riding his bike and he stopped me. He was like, will you please just come clean up the room and I'll pay you. I was like, okay, but I don't want to fight.
Okay.
He was like, I promise I'm not going to hurt you. I said, okay. As soon as I came in, he smacked me, he locked me.
2 days of surveillance later, officers finally spot the suspect. And watch this closely. This is one of those bodycam moments where everything suddenly gets very real. Calm on the outside, but everyone knows the stakes just exploded.
The door with the keys and I knew as soon as he locked the door with the key that he wasn't going to let me go.
Okay.
What window was here?
This second story window right here.
Okay, so it was open and she was just...
Yeah, she was able to get close enough to the window and push the glass out. And she was hollering for help. And this lady, I think, that's getting out of this Kia, actually the little girl heard her hollering. Okay. She's like, Granny, that lady's yelling for help. She got a chain around her neck. She's actually the one that called 911.
I guess they live there?
Yeah, they live right there. But I got her name and phone number.
Okay.
After 2 days of round-the-clock covert surveillance, detectives radio to patrol officers that the suspect has returned to the house. That's when patrol officers pull up to the location and find a red truck with 2 men inside, with one of them matching the description of the suspect.
What's your location?
I'll go talk to you. Hold on.
Can you give my location? Yeah.
Stop. Let me talk to you, man.
Grab the other guy, too.
Hey, put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head, boss.
We just talk with them.
All right, stand by.
We have to go Monday.
Stop.
What are you doing?
You're just being detained right now.
Detained for what?
You're just being detained, all right? You're not under arrest. Any weapons on you, boss?
We just thought we go Monday.
219, 1545.
All right, that's fine, man. Just hang out, all right?
Okay.
Sit on the my car.
Okay. Was it your doctor today, sir?
Is it me that you talked to?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say no, because I don't.
Okay. He gave me his card and I go look for him and talk to him and tell him to turn himself in and he called him and talk to him. And he promised to go Monday to turn himself in. So what is all this harassment for?
It's not harassment. It's called doing our job. You're being detained right now, and as soon as this is all figured out, if you're not in any kind of trouble, the handcuffs will be taken off. You're not being harassed.
Okay, but that's not nice. I don't like it.
Sit down.
Okay, hold on.
All right, who is that?
Jonah.
Who's Jonah?
The girl that was held hostage.
Okay. Hey, Jonah, how are you? This is Austin Clemens.
You're not on speaker, baby, so you gotta hold it.
Jonah, can you describe the suspect for me real quick? All right, is he Hispanic?
Yeah, that's him.
That's the suspect?
That's him. I know him.
All right, we'll give you a call here shortly, Jonah.
That's him.
All right, boss. What's your last name?
Moses May.
Your first name is Moses? Moses. Spell that.
M-O-E-S-E-S.
M-O-E-S-E-S?
No. I mean.
It's just you and your girlfriend that live there?
Yes, you know what? We can get
Girlfriend in there?
No, what she the drama thing.
Drama? What do you mean?
Like for the KGT, but that was not a lot. Really happy. Just because she not get what she want for money. This is
You're saying that what she's telling the police.
Yeah, it's not
drama.
Yeah, it's drama. Yeah, it's not for real what happened.
Hey, you go with this dude?
Free to go. You have to train me up on that.
Back to the academy for this guy.
Upside down.
Here's where the legal side gets serious. Prosecutors start looking at words like premeditation and confinement. Chained to the floor, one key holder, boarded exits. Those aren't random details. Investigators ask one question. Was this built to trap someone?
just started heading over here to see if we could find him. Y'all got him.
That's the window that she broke out. I don't think it was just her neck. I think he had her like a chain around her neck and a chain down on the ground, like a fighting dog almost.